When investing in new windows, homeowners often focus on appearance and energy efficiency, but durability is just as important. In Mandeville, where weather conditions can include heat, humidity, and seasonal storms, choosing windows that stand the test of time is essential. Double-hung windows offer a reliable, long-lasting solution that combines classic style with strong performance. Double-hung windows feature two operable sashes that slide vertically, allowing for flexible ventilation and easy use. While their design is traditional, modern versions are built with advanced materials and construction techniques that make them highly durable and well-suited for long-term use in Mandeville homes. One of the key factors that contributes to the durability of double-hung windows is their construction. High-quality materials such as vinyl and fiberglass are commonly used because they resist moisture, warping, and corrosion. In Mandeville's humid climate, this is especially important. Unlike wood, which can swell or rot over time, these materials maintain their shape and strength, ensuring your windows continue to perform reliably. Another important aspect is the window's ability to handle temperature changes. Mandeville's climate can shift between warm and cooler conditions, and windows must be able to expand and contract without losing their integrity. Modern double-hung windows are designed to accommodate these changes without compromising their seal or structure, helping prevent issues like drafts or misalignment. The durability of double-hung windows also extends to their hardware and operation. Today's designs include reinforced balances and smooth gliding tracks that allow the sashes to move easily without excessive wear. This means you can open and close your windows regularly without worrying about damage or reduced performance over time. Sealing and weather resistance play a major role in long-term durability as well. Double-hung windows are built with advanced weather stripping that helps keep out moisture, air, and debris. This not only improves energy efficiency but also protects the window frame from damage caused by water infiltration. In a climate like Mandeville's, where rain and humidity are common, this level of protection is essential. Energy-efficient glass is another feature that supports durability. Double or triple pane glass with insulating gas helps reduce heat transfer, which not only improves comfort but also minimizes stress on the window components. By maintaining a stable indoor temperature, these windows are less likely to experience issues related to extreme temperature differences. Maintenance is another area where double-hung windows excel. Many modern models include tilt and sashes, making it easy to clean both sides of the glass from inside your home. This simple maintenance feature helps keep your windows in good condition without requiring extra effort or specialized tools. The easier it is to maintain your windows, the longer they are likely to last. In addition to their functional benefits, double-hung windows offer a timeless design that remains appealing over the years. Their balanced, symmetrical appearance works well with a variety of architectural styles, ensuring your home continues to look stylish even as trends change. This long-lasting aesthetic value adds to their overall appeal as a durable investment. Professional installation is critical to ensuring your windows achieve their full lifespan. Even the most durable windows can underperform if they are not installed correctly. A proper fit, secure sealing, and precise alignment all contribute to long-term performance. Working with experienced installers helps protect your investment and ensures your windows function as intended. Durability also translates into cost savings. Windows that last longer require fewer repairs and replacements, reducing long-term expenses. For Mandeville homeowners, this makes double-hung windows a practical choice that delivers value over time. Another advantage is their adaptability. Double-hung windows can be used throughout your home, from bedrooms to living areas, providing consistent performance in every space. Their versatility ensures you can rely on them no matter where they are installed. Ultimately, choosing double-hung windows for long-term durability means investing in comfort, reliability, and peace of mind. Their strong construction, weather resistance, and low maintenance make them an ideal fit for Mandeville's climate. If you're looking for windows that will stand up to the elements while maintaining their performance and appearance, double-hung windows are a smart choice. With the right materials and professional installation, they can provide lasting benefits that enhance your home for years to come.